Okay, this is for the activities for Wednesday for maroon and Thursday for gray. Wednesday I'm not here at school, so you can do it just like I am here and do your work. All right, so when we start looking here at number 1, and this is the worksheet, and you don't have to do the whole thing. I'm going to get you to do just 2 or 3 problems. This is a common drawing, and I want you to learn to spot that X. So when you have 2 lines crossing and making a perfect X, now mine are a little wavy, but if it was kind of here's a line and here's a line, but it kind of has a crooked X, no, that's not going to work. Okay, it's got to be that perfect crisscrossing X to have the vertical angles, and that's what they're called, is vertical. So when you do get the X, then that means the angles that are opposite to each other, they're called verticals. They're going to be equal verticals. So this angle 129 is opposite vertical to angle T. So angle T is going to match it, 129. They're always going to be the same size when they're vertical. So those are freebies and should not be ignored. E will match F, but we don't have either one of them. So we're going to have to go back and do a little thinking. All right, so if we got 129 down here, there's another type. It's not right angles. You don't see any right angle boxes. So that third type is supplementary. And that's when you have a straight line, and you could either say, here's a straight line, and I'm going to look at them this way, making 180. Or I can say, here's a straight line, and these 2 right here would make 180. Anything that's up against that straight line, you can put your pencil on there and say everything on this side would make 180. So what do? I say 180 minus 129, and I end up with 51. So E is 51, and F is vertical, so it would be 51. So really you only got to do math one time, really. And remember, 129 was up here for vertical. So you're going to have that on all these, on these problems, on this set, you're going to have that. So go try number 3, and 4 and 5. Just 3, 4, and 5. Try those and just write your answer on the thing or type it in with a text box. It's just good practice. 3, 4, and 5. Stop this video and you can come back to it. All right, the next thing is learning about just adding up your angles. And I think one of my letters kind of got cut off here. L, N. Yeah, this is supposed to be an N over here. It kind of got cut off N on the edge there. So we're looking at, and this is just naming the size of the angle. So angle N, the little M, this little M right here means measure of the angle. So nothing to really worry about. You just kind of ignore it. Measure of angle NAE. All right, let's look. Here's N up here on this side. N to A to E. So what we're looking at is how much is inside of this angle. Add up the 2 parts. 88. Done. You're done. Okay? That's all it comes down to. So you can make those little lines. You can use your pencil, pens, whatever, to kind of hold it up there at that angle if you need to. I have some little coffee stirrer things you can use as little angle references if you'd like. Okay? All right, let's look at another one. Angle LAG. All right, L is right here, A right there, and G. So now we're looking at a different set of angles, but still, how much is inside of there? We're just going to add those to it. 88. All right, those 2 just happen to match. And then this next one is a little different, and you don't have a lot like this on the rest of this page, but you've got a few. And I do want you to put text boxes as your answers in here when you do these. But angle NAL, this is not saying measure like the other ones. It's saying Angle NAL is congruent to angle what? So we just said that these two were matching. That's congruent. Remember, that's the word. So if that's matching, what was the other angle? NAL. Where was it? NAL. Where is it? Wait. That's not the same ones, but that's the one they match. NAL is 30. Where's another 30? You can call it angle GAE or EAG. Okay? Either one of those would work, and you could type those in. And then this one's asking for a number again. Those match because they were both 30 and 30. All right? So a number, NAG, that's the whole entire thing. So we're going to add up all three and get our answer. So I want you to go down the list and fill in the rest of those, and then upload this form back to me when you check over it. Okay? Stop the video and do that, and then come back. All right, final thing, I want you to go back to the angle video that the protractor stuff was on, or the stuff you watched yesterday, and watch the last 4-minute section on perpendicular. And do those problems for the perpendicular worksheet on the perpendicular answer form. Okay, I'm going over the same exact worksheet and telling you how to fill in some angles and stuff like that. And then you just got to go through and answer true or false about your questions. So do that and get your perpendicular sheet form answers in, and you'll be done. Yay, miss you.